Hey folks, Roger Bain from Bain Custom Woodworking. Today we're going to attack this 8-foot by 5-foot massive countertop and we're going to sand it down. I would not do that without my Mirka sander nor my Rockler Dust Right hose and click connect FlexiPort connectors. So let's get this baby started and let's get this baby done. There you go, folks. I am all done sanding the bottom of this countertop, but the purpose of this video was to show you and introduce you to my Mirka sander. I love this sander. It's easy on my hands. It allows me to get especially these large jobs done quickly, but also to introduce you to this new hose connector that I have from Rockler. This is their Dust Right Click Connect. Literally just snaps into your tools and you are ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, keep making sawdust.